Well, hey, Mr. Rick, how you doing? Looks like I can hear thunder and all.
Well, hey, PeaRoy. Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been hot, and then it's been raining, and it's been hot, and then it's been raining.
I know.
But,
it's horrible.
I just try to keep in good spirits. And
Yeah.
so, speaking of good spirits, let me tell you a couple of jokes.
Yeah, I want to hear a
All
joke.
right.
Get rid of
Well-
the mosquitoes.
Let's see here. How come skeletons don't fight?
How come skeletons don't fight? I don't know.
Well, they ain't got the guts for it.
They got the good.
That's pretty good, ain't it?
Yeah, that's pretty good. I like that. Yeah.
All right, let's see here. What do you call fake spaghetti?
I don't know. What do you call it?
Imposter.
Imposter.
I know, it's crazy. Okay, I got one
That
more.
is
Wait a
crazy.
minute. All right.
Bad joke.
Three.
Bad joke. Yeah.
All right, so this lady comes to the doctor, and the lady says, "Well, doctor, I tell you, I've got a problem. I can't remember anything."
Can't
And
remember.
the doctor says, "Well, how long have you had this problem?" And the lady looked at her and said, "What problem?"
Now that's funny. I like that one.
That's it.
That's it. That's funny right there. I don't care who
I don't
you
know.
are.
I can't tell.
I know.
I can't tell jokes. You tell one.
All right. Well, what do you get when a duck bends over?
I don't know what.
A butt crack.
Butt crack.
No, I ain't right either. A butt
quack.
A butt
Yeah.
quack.
Yeah.
That's it. How come you don't play poker in the jungle?
I don't know. Why do you not play poker in the jungle?
Cause there's too many cheaters.
Too many
That's
cheaters.
right.
That's right.
Too many
All right.
cheaters. Yeah.
All right, I'll tell one.
All right.
One
Go
time,
ahead.
this man, he was riding down the road, see, and he looked over there, and there was a sign that says, "Talking dog."
Talking dog.
And so
You know what I mean?
he stops. He's kind of intrigued by that, so
Yeah,
he walks up to the fella and says, "I understand you got a dog for sale, but it talks."
Yeah.
Yeah. He said, "Can you prove that?" He said, "Well, sure."
Wow. Yeah.
"Hey, Chester, come here." Dog runs up and says, "Yeah, what do you want?"
Dog.
Well, that's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
He says, "Talk for the gentleman." So the dog walks over to the man and says, "Well, I was born in South Carolina. I went to school at SC,
You did.
and they taught me how to talk. And I went over to Harvard, and I got my law degree,
Yeah.
and I practiced being a lawyer for a while.
A dog lawyer.
That didn't go over so well. I decided to retire because I was
Yeah.
already making too much money, and so I started living here with the farmer."
Oh, okay.
Man looked over at the farmer and says, "Good night. How much you want for this dog?" He said, $10.
$10.
$10?
What?
He said, "Yeah." He said, "Man, that dog ain't done none of that."
Farmer said he ain't done
All
none of
right,
that.
well, all right. I told mine. Now you tell yours.
All right, well. All right, there was this kindergarten, and a woman was walking around while everybody was they was doing art, and this little old girl, she was just painting away there, and she's doing all this. So teacher said, "What, little Susie, what are you painting there?" Little Sue said, "I'm painting God." She looked at her and said, "Well, nowadays nobody knows what God looks like." She said, "Well, she will when I get through."
All right. I guess we know now, don't we?
Yeah, that's funny, kid.
That's a funny kid. Well, I'm looking up here at the
I
rain.
know, I
Looks
can
like
hear
it's
the
gonna
thunder
rain.
now. It's gonna
So,
rain. Ain't no
I
doubt.
guess we put all our tools up and go wait out the rain.
I reckon so.
All right.
All right, well, I'll help you. Let's do it.